Alright, so we're going to try out the Young Nails Slick Pour as dip today. Because I used it as acrylic, so now we're going to try it as dip. And this one's super pigmented, so you'll be able to see if there's any marbling or anything like that. But we're going to give it a shot. And remember, I'm not real versed in dip, so I'm just going to try my best. So let's do the base. This might have some red on it from the chrome stuff that I did, but forgive me. And we're just gonna do, let's just do the bottom part, okay? Or should I use the scoop? Let's use the scoop and do the top too, so we can get the whole picture. Alright, so we got one coat. And now, do I wait for this to dry? What do I do? I don't know. We'll give that a second. It looks like it's drying pretty well. Alright, just brush that off. Get any excess off. I got a mess over here. Let's do a second coat. Base, I think we'll do like 3, I think, because that's what worked with the chrome. Grab a little scooper. Let's do the top. I love this as acrylic. It's super dark and really pigmented. I mean, not dark, like it's not darker than it should be, but it's very pigmented. So that's 2 coats. Now it looks like the color is a little uneven, but that's just where some of it's dry and some of it's not. So there's 2. Just swipe that off. Yeah, there we go. That stuff bothers me. So we're going to do one more. Let me dust that off, any excess. There we go. So you're starting to see the real color. This is kind of the color it was as acrylic as well. So there's 3. I don't think you need clear with this. I'm not sure. Who knows? So that's 3. Now I think I do the activator, or do I do the clear? I know some of them said to do the clear. We're not gonna. Let's do. Actually, all I have is Mia's Secret Clear. It's not like a dip clear, so screw it. Let's do a layer clear, just so we don't mess up the color. Let's brush it off. It's a very fine powder, but you can see like the color is really even. So let's do that clear, and then we'll do the activator. So that gives you an idea of the color. That's after 3 coats, which I'm just guessing is what I need. I don't know. Never done dip. I've attempted it for the Rossi stuff and for that chrome stuff I tried a while back. Let's use the scooper again, so I don't have to bother with the whole. And we'll just dip it in there. There we go. It'll be okay. Let's get that blue out of there. All right. And then I think we do the activator now. So let's give that a shot. I don't know how much of that you need, so we're gonna let that dry. And then we will buff it and top coat it and give you a look at how that turned out. I will say it is absolutely, even with only some of it dry, is absolutely 100% even, the color. It's not lumpy. Like the powder is super fine, even with that Mia Secret on top. So it came out super even. There's no missing spots, nothing. It's pretty dry. Not messy at all, I like that. All right, let's buff this up real good. And then we will top coat it. You can see the finished product. I don't think it needs very much, but hey. We'll do the finer side. I know I was told dip requires you to like buff the crap out of it, but this one it didn't look like it needed it didn't need much. Pretty even. Now we will top coat. And I will flash cure it just so we can get a good look at it. Where did my flashlight go? Oh, there it is. I love this little flashlight. I swear it's so handy. I know they have the little one finger lamps, but this is $10, so whatever. And that is Slick Pour Dip. It's beautiful. I love the colors. I'm gonna try it with the glitter next for another video, but this was just a quick shot to give you an idea of what it looks like. You can see how even it came out with very little buffing. So there you go. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching.